Welcome to my channel. Epson EcoTank ET-4850 Wireless Setup. Step 1. In the first step, note your network name and password. Step 2. Then, make sure that your computer has the Epson Connect Printer app installed. Step 3. Now, turn on the Epson EcoTank ET-4850 printer. Step 4. After that, move to the control panel on your printer and push the home button. Step 5. Next, press the Wi-Fi setup button with the help of arrow buttons. Step 6. Now, you have to tap the OK button. Step 7. Now, choose the Wi-Fi setup wizard and click the OK button. Step 8. Then, look for your network. When you see the correct network on your screen, supply the right password for that network. Step 9. Once you supply the password, tap the OK button to verify the connection. Thank you for watching.